All right, guys, we're gonna do a quick video real quick. The face of the Phoenix S tore off. As you can see, we ripped the motor right through there. No big deal. We're gonna fix that. This will fit right into the opening, and it's about 4.5 it's about 45 millimeters in diameter. 45 millimeters in diameter. This motor fits right inside of there, right? So we'll push this in. As you can see, motor fits inside of there, no issues. Obviously that's the backwards way, but we're gonna get it all situated. You can see I measured out the bolt holes are 20 millimeters apart, and I measured it out on this cap 20 millimeters apart. And we're going to get the bolts in, and we'll have our motor inside of this cap. And that's going to be our first step to fixing the Phoenix S. All right, guys, we got the motor going. And we're just going to run that right now. And it got a little bit of torque roll to this thing, man. It's a torquey motor. I can feel it's definitely generating some airflow. Self-contained, man. Motor pod. It's got that little torque roll to it. Let's see if we can start it without torque rolling it. Yeah. As long as you ease into it. And ease off of it. And got that torque feel to it, man. So I can't wait to get this on the glider. And I bought this Racer Star 4023 850 kV motor off of Banggood for $12. Hey guys, we got it mocked up, and Phoenix S will be back in service, man. Motor is in. We got the 6.5 by 6 prop on there, and we're just gonna see how that works. This should be enough thrust to get us up, because this is an efficient cruiser, so we really don't need a ton of thrust. But we're gonna have to do a thrust test to see how well that works. If not, we do have the 12 by 6 that we can put on here. So yeah, motor mount is on. It is way stiffer than this milk carton type plastic that it's made of. You are not breaking this. And it's almost like it's 3D printed. I just took the cap off of some Miralax fiber, and yeah, measured it out. Easy fix, took me about 10 minutes. This is how balanced it is, guys. No wings. and it is balancing without falling over. That is how balanced the props and the motor and this setup is completely aligned, and it's balancing on this bucket. It's just balancing on the bucket, guys. If I turn the power off, it will fall over. Let's do that. Balance without the motor running.